Hello, David here with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2025 Harris 210 Cruiser, metallic black with a diamond white accent. This is a single lounger floor plan with a tri-tune, 27-inch center tune, 25-inch outer tunes, RPM chassis with lifting strakes inside and outside, our halo bimini up above my head, a lot more features inside. Let's take a look up on deck. Okay, we moved up on the aft of the deck of this pontoon boat. As I mentioned, single lounger. This backrest will move forward. We have a lot of storage underneath the rear seat right here. The single seat over there actually flips up for a cooler. There's cup holders. The halo bimini top is power and has the arch to it to simulate a tower. This simply rotates at 45 and all the way down as well. We still have our gate to keep our little ones inside. Every single seat is hinged with molded base. There's a trash can hidden under here. More cup holders, more charge ports. Down on the floor, we have our in-floor storage. Massive amounts of storage in there. Up here on the helm, we have our Simrad, our JL audio head unit with 6 speakers, our wireless charger, and of course our shifter with a lockable glove box. This boat is on display at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat.